Hi Dawson, thanks for your email. I thought it would be easier if I made you a video to show you what's going wrong on that question. So we talked today in class about the first step always being grouping your like terms together. So I'm going to take the y terms and put them together, and then I'm going to take the numbers and put them together. Did you notice how for each of the terms, if there was a sign in front of it, then I brought that along with the number. So if it says -9, I wrote -9. If it says -7, then I write -7, and so on. Okay, that's I think what went wrong and why you're not getting the right answer on your work. So now if I look just at the y values that I have here, I have one y, remember they don't write the 1 in front, so I have one y and I have 6 negative y's. So there's one positive y and 6 negative y's. So if they're sports teams, then the negatives are going to win by 5, so I would get -5y there. And then if I do the number part, I've got 9 negatives and 7 negatives. So altogether on the negative team, I've got 16 guys on that team. There's no positive guys even showed up for that one. So I have altogether -5y minus 16 when I group my like terms together and simplify that expression. I hope that helps. I hope you had fun in hockey too.